Hello, I'm creating a remote control sofa section. You see the button for recline and down, still work. But I also created in a remote control where you can press one button. See, using the remote control, or you can decline it. So that's second one here. And so does this one here. Okay. And all this is controlled by using this module that I got it and wired it up myself. And the connection is very simple. We just tap it to the wire underneath the motor. All right, and I'm gonna shut all the seat back up. Or in the remote. Thank you for watching.